Hello. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we try to solve one question from Mathematics Standard Level, Paper 1, question number 8. Question number 8. This is question for section B. Answer all questions in the answer booklet provided. Please start each question on a new pages. 8 number, let fx equals to x square minus 4x minus 5. The following diagrams shows part of the graph of f. This is the function graph, x-axis. Okay. Find the x-intercept of the graph of f. That means we want to find out this value and that value, x-intercept. So we know that when any graph pass in the x-axis, here y value 0. So fx means y equals to x square minus 4x minus 5. If we want to find out the x-intercept of this function, we have to write fx equals to 0 or y equals to 0. So it will be x square minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Then we have to factorize this, x square minus 5x plus x minus 5 equals to 0. Then x common, x minus 5 plus 1 common, x minus 5 equals to 0. It will be x minus 5, x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 5 and x equals to minus 1. So these are the x-intercept of the graph of f. So x-intercept of the graph of f is x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 1, and x equals to 5. Okay. Now part B, the equation of the axis of symmetry of the graph of f. So if you want to find out the axis of symmetry, we have to add both of these x value. So x 5 minus 1 divided by 2. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry. That means this line. This line is the axis of symmetry. If you want to find out the axis of symmetry, here x value and here x value, add divided by 2. So if we add and divided by 2, we will get here 4 divided by 2. So y equals to 2 will be axis of symmetry. Y equals to 2. Now, question number C, the function can be written in the form fx equals to first bracket x minus h whole square plus k. Write down the value of h, write down the value of k. So here our function is fx equals to x square minus 4x minus 5. If we want to write this in this form, x minus h whole square plus k, this form, so we have to do the completing square. So x, here if it is minus, right here minus, x coefficient divided by 2, that means 4 divided by 2 whole square minus 4 divided by 2 whole square and minus 5 here. So 4 and 2 cancel. So it will be x minus 2 whole square. 2 square means 4 minus 5. So x minus 2 whole square minus 9. So h equals to here 2 and k is here minus 9. This is Roman 1 and that one is Roman 2. K equals to minus 9. Now, question number, okay, D. The graph of a second function g is obtained by a reflection of the graph of f in the y-axis, followed by a translation of -3, 6. Find the coordinates of the vertex of the graph G. So here, what is the vertex over there? This vertex is here 2, -9. This is a function. Here they say this graph, the second graph G, second function G is obtained by reflection of the graph of f in the y-axis. When this graph reflects in y-axis, here only x value change. So this graph, this is -1, and that one is 5. So if it is reflect on y-axis, so 2, this 2 will come over there. It will be -2, -9, -5. When it's reflect on y-axis, it will be -5. And -1 reflect here, it will be +1. So our new g function will be like this. This is g function. Here g function vertex is -2, 9. So what they said, a graph of a second function g is obtained by reflection of the graph of f in the y-axis. Here only y, here x value change. It was 2, so it will be -2. Previously, x value 5, it's converted as a -5, -1 converted as a 1. Find the coordinates of the vertex of G. So this vertex followed by translation -3, 6. So -2, -9, we will add translation of -3, 6. So -3, 6. So vertex will be -5 and -3. So new vertex of graph G is -5, -3. So I hope everybody understood this math. This is very simple. At first we found here x-intercept point. Any graph, any line, when it's intercept in x-axis, here y value, we put here 0. After that, we find out the factorization and find two values of x. These are the x-intercept. The second part, find the equation of the axis of symmetry. When we get the x-intercept, both of this addition, -1 plus 5 divided by 2. So y equals to 2 will be the equation of axis of symmetry. And for C, we have to use the complete square method. From here, we get the value of h and also find out the value of k. What is, so we have to write here x minus h plus k. So here h equals to 2 and k equals to -9. Okay, after that, this graph, that means function f, reflect on x-axis. So here all the x values will be changed. 5 will convert as a -5, -1 will convert as a +1. Here the vertex will convert -2, -9 will convert as a -2, 9. After that, this one translate by -3, 6. So we have to add this. Then we finally get the new vertex of graph G. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.